How to use Bloom Investment App for Teens app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The Bloom Investment App for Teens is designed to teach young investors how to build wealth early, but many new users and even parents make simple mistakes that hold them back. The first mistake is treating it like a game. While Bloom makes investing fun and social, every trade represents real money. Understanding what you're investing in is more important than chasing what's trending. Next, beginners often skip the learn section. Bloom includes bite-sized lessons about stocks, ETFs, and financial basics. Those lessons are what turn the app from a novelty into a real education tool. Another mistake: ignoring diversification. Teens often buy only one or two big-name companies. A smarter move is to spread investments across multiple sectors using fractional shares. Pro tip: set a long-term goal, like saving for college or a car, and track it inside the app. It builds focus and turns investing into a personal mission. And here's the surprising truth: the best investors aren't the ones who start with the most money. Hire the ones who start early and stay consistent. Used properly, the Bloom app helps teens grow confidence, financial literacy, and real assets, turning small investments today into powerful financial habits for the future.